Hello everyone and welcome to Aimvisage Design. I'm thrilled to have you join me for another exciting video. So whether you are new to this channel or you've been here as a loyal subscriber, I'm grateful. I'm really grateful to have you here as we dive into today's design. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. Today I'm going to design a logo for a gaming company. Well, I identify a client, created the name, design a logo. I'm going to show you the process, how I design. Most of the logo design, I just jump into the software and show you how to design. But one thing I will let you know is that there are processes to designing a logo, and one of the key things is to always sketch. To sketch is good for you as a designer, to always sketch, have a sketchbook to sketch. Most of the logos I design, I sketch them first. That's why when I come to the system, I just, not like I'm doing it directly from my head. So learn to sketch. I think I'll make a video where I'll show you the whole design process. That's my own design process, how I come up with a design, a logo, etc. So for today, let's jump in. I'm still going to use grid today. I'm going to pick my angle of grid at 45. Like I said, always hold shift. You click on your line tool, click and drag, hold shift. It goes at the angle of 45 degrees when you hold shift. So I'm going 45. 8. I'm going to hold Alt. Now when you hold Alt, you will notice your cursor, the white and the black, before you drag to duplicate. Excuse me. Okay, sorry. I didn't highlight or give my line stroke, so it's invisible. Good. So to duplicate it, hold Shift and Alt, release, then Control D to duplicate as much as possible. Once you press Control D and hold, it keep until where you say stop. I'm going to group this and size it. I need to flip this again to the other side so that I'll have more of a check boxes. So I'm going to copy and paste Control C, Control F. Then I will flip it horizontally. Boom. This is it. So once I have this, I'm going to highlight everything and I will use my shape builder tool, which is this icon here. You can see it, or you do Shift M. The shortcut Shift M. Click. I'll have a starting point. Let's pick here. Good. Going to go first. I didn't pick my color. Black. Let's go this way. Good. Now ensure these two are aligned. This and this. If you are not sure, you can use the ruler tool, show ruler, so that you'll be sure. Yeah, this is exactly what I wanted. And I'm coming down here. I'm going to leave 2 boxes, and because I have to select again, and Shift M, pick my black, going to leave 2 down here. 1, 2. Boom, down here. I'm going to leave 1, 2 again. 1, 2. Then I pick from here. Come down. Same here. Good. I'm going to pick this, have to be aligned with this. Boom. Boom. Align with this. And voila. This is what we wanted. I'm going to highlight everything. First of all, I'm going to ungroup. And then holding shift, I'll select what I want. All the places with black. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then delete. I have just what I wanted. I'm going to highlight this and make sure it squeezes into my artboard. Group it. Ctrl G. Then I'm going to write the name. Starlight. Symphony. Good. I'm using Helvetica Compress. Good. Align this. Pop it into the center. And voila, we have our logo. Filter. Also, that will see the clay. So this is the beautiful logo. You can try it and also try to make something. Just design something where you're going to work with linear lines and three shapes where you can try with the grid and see what you can come up with. Feel free to share your work in the comments. Share your work with me. Let me see. And do it to explore more. The more you explore, the better you become in the software. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any comment, please drop it at the comment section. I'm going to respond. Thank you very much and peace out.